Isn't he one of the Titans?
He might be. He's big enough.
Didn't Jason say something about tailors? This must be where Hephaestus molded the statues of the gods.
Yes, and set them up for all the world to see.
I mean, this was a good printer. One thing I don't like about it is the Halot software. It said this would take 9 hours to print, but all in all it's going to take 17 hours. Can there be that much of a discrepancy? But still, it's a very good printer, Halot 1. I'm using water washable photopolymer resin. The settings for that: bottom exposure is 60 and the following exposure after that is 8 seconds. Something else I've learned. But let's say we're 9 hours 44 minutes to go, and yeah, I'll show you it after it's printed. Got a nice big screen. That's one thing I do like about it. It's not let me down. Well, it has let me down, but I think it's been down to exposure rates, and also using a software called Lychee, which once I've altered everything in there and then stuck it into the Halot 1 software and then onto a stick, it's not printed. It's either left me a flat piece of resin in the bed or on top of the plinth thing that it attaches to. You can actually see his face there, Talos. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it's down to his chest, so there's probably half of the body to go, and there's, what we got, 6 hours 23. So by the time I do pull it out, it'll be dark. Okay, it's done. It took 13 hours to print this Talos. Can't really see that well because of all the support. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get that off the bed, strip the support off, and give it a good clean under the tap because it's washable resin, so that's good. So the detail is amazing. There's just a few spots where the support was that I've got to sand down. I'll do that with one of those flexible nail files that women use. Yeah, it's about 7 inches tall. All in all, it took 13 hours. Very good. You can see where it's curing now. Changes colour slightly. Like I say, the detail is absolutely fantastic.